Every time you learn a new thing, there is a particular process through which it actually goes. And that is what they have called as cognitive load that you have got. And you move through some defined processes. Like first you have got sensory memory that you have got. You listen, you watch, you hear, and then that's the sensory memory that you've got. That doesn't really get too much very deep inside you. It's something that you see on the road and something that you watch in front of you. Then there comes as working memory. That working memory is a very small data that can be handled by you at a given point in time. Then comes cognitive load, and that is the kind of filter and the process from where the learning starts. And then sometimes we overload it, so this cognitive load doesn't really work. The three types of cognitive load I'd like you to understand carefully. One is that intrinsic, that deals with the fact that how difficult is the task that you are doing. The second is what we call them as intrinsic load. And intrinsic load, I would imagine that how it is presented to you, how effectively it is given to you. And third is that germane load. Germane load is like that efforts that you have made over and beyond the present reception to making it as a long-term memory, and that for which you would have those, I would imagine, those references, mind mapping, and things like examples, objective references, case studies. They would also be helpful there. So if you're just being sensitive about this cognitive load and the three types of it, intrinsic and extraneous and germane, you would be in a position to really know as to what level are you moving. And then knowing this would make you more conscious about acquiring the new facts in a more effective manner.